Hello, welcome to yet another video on our SAT series. We have a system of inequalities. 5y is less than 2x minus 22, and x is greater than 2x plus 4. And the question is, which of the following describes the value of y that satisfies the system of the inequalities? And then we have our options there. So let's get into the solution of this video. All right, so we are given a system of inequalities and we are required to find the value of y that satisfy the system of inequalities. There are options there. I didn't write out the options here, but let's look at our solution. Now, this is comparable to a system of equations. So what we do is that look at the first inequality. 5y is less than 2x minus 2. There's pretty much nothing I can do unless I'm going to graph this. And in SAT, you need to maximize your time and be strategic about how you solve your question so that you don't waste too much time on a particular question. Now, look at the second question. X is greater than 2x plus 4. Here, I can do some manipulation. So let me solve this second one. Subtract 2x from both sides. You will have x minus 2x is greater than, this will go, is greater than 4. And then subtract this minus this will give me minus x is greater than 4. So divide both sides by -1. Negative x divided by -1. Remember, this will flip this sign. Is less than what? Is less than 4 divided by -1. So our final answer here is that x is less than -4. Now, if x is less than -4, what are the possible values of x? So this tells me that x, if x was to be a set of integers, the biggest value of x would be -5 if it were to be integers, okay? And then -6 and -7 and so on and so forth if x were to be integers. Now, since x is less than -4, I'm going to substitute this next value here for x into the first inequality that was given. Why can't I substitute this? Because the question already says that x is less than -4. So I can do that. I can substitute this and I will get a value, but the actual thing to do is to just pick a value which is less than -4, because x is a range of values. So if I pick this, and then let's say I'm going to take x, one of the values of x is -5, since it is less than this, and I'm going to substitute it here. So I have 5y is less than 2x minus 22, and then this will be 5y is less than 2 into -5 minus 22. So what I have is 5y is less than, this is -10 minus 22. So this will be 5y is less than -32. So divide both sides by 5, 32 by 5. You have that y is less than, this will be -6.4. Now, this is not in the option, and the answer that is in the option, which also agrees with this, is that y is less than -6. Remember, if y is less than -6 from the option, y is definitely, because this is greater than this number, y is definitely less than this. And this is option A of that question. Okay, so that's a nice problem. Thanks for being part of this video, and look out for more questions.